pleasure in welcoming you all to this Countdown Yoga program being conducted as part of the 8th International Day of Yoga, which will be observed on 21st June 2022. As per the directions issued by Railway Board, Countdown Yoga program is to be conducted before the iconic building of Southern Railway Headquarters Office. We are glad to find this premises very conducive for the demonstration of the Yoga Asanas, which will be performed here by the experts in the faculty during the common yoga protocol as advised by the Ministry of Ayush and Railway Board. We extend a hearty welcome to our beloved General Manager of Southern Railway, Shri B.G. Malya ji. Sir, कार्यक्रम में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. A hearty welcome to our special guest, Srimati V.G. Bhuma ji, Principal Executive Director, HR Railway Board. मैडम, इस कार्यक्रम में आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत है. आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव के उपलक्ष्य में आयोजित किए जा रहे इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए at the outset I request Shri R. Narayanan, CPO Admin, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
A very good morning to all. In order to enhance the awareness of yoga benefits among the employees of Indian Railways, we celebrate the International Yoga Day on 21st June every year. To mark this great event, this year also, the 8th International Yoga Day will be observed on this day, on 21st, as per guidelines issued by the Ministry of Ayush. As a countdown to International Yoga Day 2022, Southern Railway, Central Railway and Western Railway have been chosen by Railway Board to conduct a yoga program on 15th June 2022, that is today, at historic, iconic locations. We are all assembled here in front of this prestigious, iconic Southern Railway Headquarters building for this purpose. On this occasion, I'll take pleasure in welcoming our respected General Manager, Sri B.G. Malya, to grace this occasion. It is a privilege to have with us today Srimati V.G. Bhuma, Principal Executive Director, HR, Railway Board, as a special guest. Welcome, ma'am. I also welcome PHODs, DRM Madras, HODs, officers, staff, and the representatives of organized labor and associations to the countdown event of 8th International Yoga Day 2022. Once again, I welcome one and all who are present here. On this occasion, I request our respected General Manager, Sri B.G. Malya, to say a few words. Sir.
Very good morning to all of you. Mrs. V.G. Bhuma, PDHR, our very special guest from Railway Board, my PHODs from Southern Railway, HODs, DRN Chennai, and all my colleagues who have gathered here. Yoga, I feel, should become a way of life. We fall prey to the unconventional systems of medicines from other countries, knowing very well that we have perhaps the best solution within India, that is yoga, which has evolved over thousands of years. And now even the Western world has come to recognize yoga as one of the best ways of maintaining physical and mental health. So this is something, people say that charity begins at home. So help begins at home. It is here with us, but we have not been following it. In fact, I must say that yoga was perhaps one of the reasons why India was able to battle COVID so well, because the basic breathing exercises which form part of yoga, I'm sure Dr. Murthy will agree, the breathing exercises which yoga has taught us enabled us to come to terms with the problems which were inflicted on us by the COVID pandemic on our respiratory system so well that we could come out of it. For a country like India, even though we are very sorry for the people who died, I must say the total count of fatalities was less. So let us celebrate International Yoga by deciding to promote yoga, by making yoga a habit with us, making yoga a way of life. I thank the organizers for organizing such a wonderful event. My compliments to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable views, sir, on this special occasion. And I also thank Shri A. Narayanan ji, CP admin, for having welcomed the gathering. And moving on to the next program, as per the instructions issued by Ministry of Ayush and Railway Board, common yoga protocol will now be practiced by Shri R. Balan, PRC of PCME's office. He will be performing in the common yoga protocol along with Dr. Kumaresan, ex-Railway Ayush doctor, and Dr. Vinod, ex-Railway Ayush doctors, Ms. Ramya, OS Operating, and Ms. Gomati, Senior SO Accounts Department. They are in the SR, Southern Railway Yoga team, which was founded by retired PCME Shri R. Kuppan to spread the awareness of yoga benefits among the railway officers and staff. And it is now being run by Shri Balan of Mechanical Department. So I request Dr. Navina, Yoga and Naturopathy, Railway Hospital, Perambur, to kindly commence the common yoga protocol and issue related instructions, please.
Good morning to everybody. I welcome you all for the 8th International Yoga Day. The theme for the 8th International Yoga Day is Yoga for Humanity. Now let's start practicing common yoga protocol formulated by Ministry of Ayush under the Government of India. Now first, let's start with the prayer. So please kindly sit down in any comfortable position. Kindly sit down in any comfortable position. Keep both your hands on the thighs and adapt chin mudra. For doing chin mudra, join your index finger and thumb finger and form a circle and keep it over your thighs. Now let's start the prayer.
Let us begin with the Om chanting. Close your eyes. Om. 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 Sangachatvam samvadatvam sambhumanansi janatam deva bhagam yada purve samjanana upasate deva bhagam yada purve samjanana upasate samjanana upasate samjanana upasate.
Now slowly open your eyes. Now release your hands and leg. Now next we can start doing the loosening practices, Suksma Vyama. For that, kindly stand up and stand in your place. Now keep your feet 1 foot apart and keep the hands at your waist. Now inhale and bend your head backward. Exhale and bring it down. Try to touch your chest with your chin. Now again inhale, bend back. Exhale and bring it down. This is very good for your neck muscle and improves your microcirculation. Next, we can do neck bending. Inhale and bend your neck to your right side. Don't move your shoulder joint. Come to the center. Exhale and bend to your left side. Inhale and come to the center. Now next, we can move the neck turning movement. Inhale, exhale and turn your head towards your right side. The chin should be parallel with the shoulder. Inhale and come to the center. Now exhale and turn to your right side, left side. Inhale and slowly come to your center. Now we can repeat it for one more time. Inhale, as you exhale, slowly turn to your right side. Inhale and come to the center. Now exhale and turn to your left side. Inhale and come to the center. Now next, we can do neck rotation. Slowly bend your neck down. Inhale and bring your neck to your right side. Go back and to your left and bring it down. Make it a circular movement. We can repeat for 2 times. Inhale, back, exhale, down. Inhale, go back, exhale, down. Now we can repeat in the opposite direction. Inhale, go to your left side, come down. Inhale, go back, exhale, come down. Relax. Now we can do the shoulder stretching asanas. First one is the shoulder stretching asanas. Stand straight. Keep your hands at the side of your body. Inhale and slowly raise your hands up above the head. The palm should be facing outward. Exhale, bring it down. You can repeat for 2 times. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. We can move on to the knee movement. Now keep your feet 1 foot apart. Now stretch both your hands in front. Palm should be facing downward. Now exhale and bend your knees. Relax and come back to normal position. We can repeat for 2 times. Exhale and bend your knees. Inhale and come back. Last round. Exhale and bend your knees. Inhale and come back. Now next, we can move to standing group of asanas.
The warming up exercises are over. Now your body and mind are aligned straight for the performing of yogas. Let us begin the standing asanas. Tadasana. Tada means palm tree. This corrects faulty posture and flat feet. It also increases the height of growing children and improves concentration. Keep the feet 2 inches apart. Raise your hands to shoulder level in front and interlock the fingers. Turn the palms outside. Raise the hands up and stand on your toes. Balance on your toes for few seconds. Relax and come back to normal position. Avoid in case of arthritis, vertigo or varicose veins. Vrikshasana. Vriksha means tree. The next asana helps in neuromuscular coordination, alertness, memory power. It also improves blood circulation from head to toe. Put your legs together. Bring your right feet up and place it on the left thigh comfortably. Inhale, raise hands above the head. Focus on the point in front and join the palms together. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Slowly release the hand. Put your leg down. Let's repeat with the left leg. Bring your left feet up and place it on the right thigh comfortably. Inhale, raise your hands above the head, focus in front and join the palms. Stay for a few seconds. Slowly relax, bring your hands down, come back to normal position. Pada Hastasana. Now let's do the forward bending asana. People with hypertension may avoid this asana. This asana makes the spine flexible and improves digestion. Join the legs. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend from the hip and try to touch the feet without bending the knees. Observe the stretch in the calf muscles. Stay for a few seconds. Slowly relax and come up. Come back to normal position. Ardha Chakrasana. To counter the forward bending, let's do a backward bending asana. It's a half wheel posture. This strengthens the spine nerves, muscles, improves your breathing capacity. It helps in cervical spondylitis also. Patients with hypertension may avoid this. Keep the legs 1 foot apart. Stand erect. Place hands on hip, fingers pointing down. Inhale. Bend back as much as you can. Don't overstrain. Feel the stretch of the neck muscles. Stay a few seconds. Slowly relax. Exhale and come up. And come back to normal position. Now let's balance the forward and backward asana with a sideway bending posture. Trikonasana, it's a triangle posture. Keep the feet comfortably apart as much as you can. Inhale. Raise your hands sidewards up to the shoulder level, palms facing down. Tilt the right feet up to 90 degrees. Extend the right hand as much as possible. Exhale, bend and place the palm next to your feet or touch the feet. Now turn the head up and see the left palm in a straight view. Inhale, slowly come up. Now let's do it on the left side. Tilt your left feet up to 90 degrees. Extend the left hand as much as possible. Exhale, bend and place the palm on your feet. Now turn the head up and see the right palm in a straight view. Inhale, slowly come up. Relax. Avoid this asana in case of slip disc, sciatica or undergone any abdominal surgery.
Next, we can move on to sitting series of asana. So please sit in your place in any comfortable position. Sit down. Now slowly stretch both your legs in front and keep the hands at the side of your body. The fingers should be pointing forward. This asana is Dandasana. This is the starting posture for doing sitting series of asanas. The first asana we are going to do is Bhadrasana. Bhadrasana means auspicious pose. This asana is very good for a pelvic muscle, especially for women, and aids in normal delivery. So the people who have underwent recent surgery or any acute pain in the knee, try to avoid this asana. For performing this asana, now slowly stretch your hands in front. Try to hold the big toes and pull your leg towards your body. The heel should come in front as much as possible near the perineum. Stay in this position for a while and in normal breathing. Relax and slowly release your leg and both the hands. Now keep your hands at your side and relax yourself in Dandasana. Now next, we can move to Vajrasana. Vajrasana means thunderbolt pose. For this, now bend both your legs towards one side and sit on your heel. The toes should be touching each other. Keep both the hands on the knee. Sit in this position for a while and normal breathing. This asana is the only asana which we can do immediately after taking food. It's good for digestion. People with piles and ankle injury try to avoid this. Now release your hand and leg and slowly come back to the normal position. The next asana, what we are going to do is Ardha Uttanasana. Ardha means half, Ushta means camel. So we are going to do half camel pose. For this, adapt the Vajrasana. So stretch your legs in front, bend your legs back, sit on your heels. Now slowly rise up and stand on both your knees. Keep both your hands on your waist. Inhale and slowly bend back as much as possible. Now exhale and come back to normal position. Relax. Now slowly sit down and stretch both your legs and Ardha Uttanasana was very good for the neck and the spinal muscle as it stretches your lungs, it increases your lung capacity, and people with bronchial asthma can perform these asanas. So next, now we can move on to Shashankasana. Shashanka means rabbit or the hare pose. For this posture, now again adapt Vajrasana. Now separate your knee as much as possible. Keep both your palms and inner side of the thigh on the floor. Now stretch your hands in front and slowly bend your back downward. Keep your forehead on the ground as much as possible. Stay in this position with normal breathing. Now exhale and slowly come back. Now be in this position. We can do the next asana, Uttana Mandukasana, upright frog pose. The same position. Separate your knees. Now raise your right hand and keep it over your left shoulder blade. Shoulder blade. Now left hand and keep it over your right shoulder blade. Sit erect, stay in this position for a few minutes. Relax, release both your hands. Now release your leg and come back to the normal position. Stretch your leg and keep your hands at your side. And relax yourself in Dandasana. The both Shashankasana and Uttana Mandukasana are very good for your chest muscle. It improves your lung capacity. Next, we can do the twisting type of asana, Vakrasana. Now slowly bend your right leg and keep the foot next to the left knee. Now bring your left leg and hold your right knee. Keep your left hand at your back and turn backward. Stay in this position for a few seconds with normal breathing. Exhale and come back to normal position. Release your hand and stretch both your legs. Now we can repeat it in the left leg. Now bend the left leg. Keep your left foot next to the right thigh. Bring your right hand and circle around the left knee. Keep the right hand behind your body and stay in this position for a few seconds with normal breathing. Relax. Slowly release both your hands, legs, and stretch both the legs and relax yourself in Dandasana. This Vakrasana is very good for diabetes as this tones all your abdominal organs. It can be avoided during severe back pain and during pregnancy condition.
Let's move on to the lying down asanas. There are 3 lying down, prone lying asanas and 5 supine lying asanas. Let us begin with Makarasana. It's a crocodile posture, a very relaxing asana which helps in recovery of all back problems. Lie down on your stomach. Feet wide apart, toes touching the ground. Place one palm over the other and place your cheek on your palm. Loosen your thighs and relax. Avoid in case of pregnancy or frozen shoulder. Bhujangasana. It's a cobra posture which helps in reducing abdominal fats and remove bronchial problems. Join your legs. Release the hands and place it by your sides. Inhale, raise up, bend backwards up to your navel. Raise up and bend backwards up to your navel slowly. Place the palms firmly on the ground. Stretch the neck muscles as much as you can to your own capacity. Don't overstretch. Be in normal breath. Exhale and come down. Relax in Makarasana. Hernia patients and ulcer patients, please avoid this asana. Salabhasana, locust posture. Cardiac patients should not do this. It removes the lower back pain. It also helps in sciatica and tones up the hip muscles. Join your legs. Rest the chin on the floor. Fold the hands in Adi Mudra, you can see the demonstrators, and place it under the thighs. Inhale. Lift both the legs together as much as you can backwards without bending the knees. Be in normal breath. Exhale, bring the legs down. Relax in Makarasana. With this, we come to the end of the prone lying postures. Supine lying postures. Press your right palm on the floor, turn slowly and lie down on your back. Relax, facing palms up. Let the little fingers of the legs touch the floor. Be in normal breath. Sedu Bandhasana. Sedu means bridge. It's a bridge posture. People with ulcer and hernia may avoid this. Fold your legs. Hold both the ankles with your hands. Pull it back and place the feet firmly on the ground. Inhale, slowly lift your hip and trunk up as much as you can. Exhale to form a bridge pose. This is Sedu Bandhasana. Exhale and slowly come back and relax in Makarasana. Uttanapadasana. Uttana means upright, pada means leg. Lifting the legs upright. This contracts the abdominal muscles and reduces the fats around the navel. Inhale, lift both the legs together up to 30 degrees without folding the knees. Relax, bring the legs down. Ardha Halasana, it's the half plow posture. It benefits the hypertension. Inhale, lift both the legs together without bending the knees up to 90 degrees. Exhale, bring the legs down. Relax. Ardha Pavana Muktasana. It's for releasing gas from the stomach. Avoid this practice in case of abdominal injuries, sciatica, and during pregnancy. Inhale, fold the right leg slowly, hold it, bring it to the chest, touch the knee with the forehead. Slowly release the fingers and bring the head back. Exhale and stretch your legs and place it on the floor. Let us repeat with the left leg. Inhale, fold the left leg, stretch your hands, interlock the fingers with the knee and pull it towards the chest simultaneously and try touching your forehead to the knees. Release the fingers slowly and bring the head back. Let's do Pavana Muktasana. Repeat doing with both the legs together. Fold both the legs, bring it to the chest, touch the knees with forehead. Stretch out both the legs and relax. Now let us do Shanti Asana. This is a relaxing posture. Lie down comfortably on your back. Legs apart, 2 feet apart legs. Hands and body distance maybe half feet. Palms facing upwards. Eyes closed. Relax the whole body from head to heel. Be in your normal breath. This asana is meant for complete relaxation. It's very beneficial in management of stress and its consequences. Let us give rest to all parts of the body, one by one. Just concentrate on all the parts of your body, right from your toes, feet, legs, hips, abdomen, chest, shoulders, hands, fingers, neck, face, chin, eyes, forehead, head, skull, and brain. And relax all the parts of the body. No. Slowly shake the hands and legs. Lift your hands, rub the palms together. Place it on your eyes and spread the warmth and gently open the eyes. Slowly turn to your left. Press your right hand on the floor and raise up. Asana session is over. We'll do some pranayama.
Now let's start doing breathing techniques. The first one is the Kapalbhati frontal cleansing practice. For this, sit in any comfortable position. Either you can sit in Sukhasana, Vajrasana, your comfortable position. Keep both your hands on your thighs. Adapt Chin Mudra. For Chin Mudra, join your thumb and the index finger together. Now sit erect. The spine should be straight, neck should be straight. Now take a deep breathing through both the nostrils. Exhale forcefully through both the nostrils using your abdominal muscles. This is one stroke. We can repeat it for 20 strokes. Forceful inhalation and forceful exhalation. Kapalbhati is very good for sinusitis, rhinitis, and frontal sinus. It improves your digestion. Patient with hypertension, vertigo, hysteria, epilepsy, and during pregnancy, kindly avoid this or do under any guidance. Now relax and come back to normal position. Now next, we can do the pranayama Nadi Sudhi. For that, keep your left hand in your chin mudra. Now bend your right hand and adapt Nasigra Dishti. For that, bend the 2 fingers, index finger and the middle finger. Now stretch the other 3 fingers. Keep your thumb over your right nostril and the forefinger on the left nostril. Now slowly inhale through your left nostril. Close, open the thumb, exhale through your right nostril. Now again, inhale through the right nostril, close your nostril, exhale through your left. This is one round. We can repeat it for 10 counts. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. Relax and keep both your hands on your thighs with chin mudra. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama helps to balance your sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve. So it brings concentration and makes you relax. Now next, we can do a cooling pranayama. The name of the pranayama is Shitali. For this, adapt chin mudra in both your hands. Sit straight, close your eyes, put your tongue out and roll your tongue like a tube. Now inhale through the tongue, close the mouth, exhale through the nose. We can repeat it. Inhale through the mouth and exhale through both the nostrils. So this is one round. Repeat it for 5 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax. This pranayama is a cooling pranayama. It helps to reduce hypertension. It induces sleep. Now next, we can move on to Brahmari Pranayama. Brahmari means black honey bee. We are going to do this pranayama like the buzzing bee sound. For this, we have to adapt Shanmughi Mudra. Now close both your ears with your thumb. Keep your forefinger over your eyes, next 2 fingers over your nose and the little finger near your mouth. Now fold your tongue and keep it over your upper palate. Inhale through both the nose and while exhaling, say This is one round. We can repeat it for 5 times. Inhale. While exhaling, say Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Now drop your hands down and sit in chin mudra. This Brahmari Pranayama is very good for inducing sleep and it improves the alpha waves in your brain and produces nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is very good for reducing your hypertension and cardiac problems.
Let us prepare ourselves for dhyan. Sit in any meditative posture. Hold chin mudra and place it upon the thigh. Arms and shoulders should be relaxed and loosened. Close your eyes and lift the chin up. Don't concentrate on anything. Just maintain a mild focus between your eyebrows and keep your conscience on your breath. Dhyan keeps the mind calm and quiet. It increases concentration and memory, clarity of thought, and willpower. It regenerates the whole body and mind, giving them proper rest. It helps to develop positive vibration. Meditation leads to self-relaxation. Continue to be in this state of dhyan. Slowly, very slowly rub your hands and place the warmth on your eyes and gently open your eyes. And get ready for taking the Sangalpa. Sit comfortably with your spine erect. Stay in Pranamasana. Let us take the Sangalpa. Please repeat the Sangalpa. I commit myself to remain in a balanced state of mind all the time. In this state, that my development reaches its greatest possibility. I commit to do my duty to self, family, at work, to society, and to the world for the promotion of peace, health, and harmony. We'll complete the common yoga protocol with the ending prayer. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kasyid dukhabhag bhavet, ma kasyid dukhabhag bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
The common yoga protocol is over now. Moving on to the next proceeding. We would like to honor our general manager and our special guest today with mementos today, and I request our Principal Chief Personal Officer Shri Hari Krishnan to kindly present a memento, bamboo sapling, to our general manager Shri B.G. Malya ji. Thank you very much, sir. I now request our General Manager, Shri B.G. Malya ji, to kindly present a memento of bamboo sapling to our Principal Executive Director, HR, Railway Board, Srimati V.G. Bhuma Madam. Thank you very much, sir. Light refreshments will be distributed to all the participants after the program, please. So I request Shri Karupanna Sami, Chief Personal Officer IR, to kindly propose the vote of thanks. I request all the participants of the yoga practice today to kindly remain in their yoga, be present in the yoga mat for the distribution of refreshments. And I request Shri Karupanna Sami ji to kindly present the vote of thanks.
Good morning, all of you. I take this opportunity to thank our beloved GM sir for giving the relentless support in all possible ways right from choosing the place and giving us all tips for successful conduct of this program and for participating in this program also, sir. Thank you very much. It's my privilege to thank Bhuma ma'am, PEDHR, who has graced this occasion with her presence. Thank you, ma'am. And my sincere thanks to PCPO sir for giving us all support and guidance in conducting this program in a very befitting manner. Thank you, sir. And my thanks to all the PHODs for making this occasion very successful one with your participation. And I thank DRM Chennai sir also for presenting in this and making this function a successful one, sir. And I thank the Department of Engineering, S&T, Medical, Electrical, RPF for making all the arrangements which made the important thing for making this program in a grand way. That way, I thank you all again. And additionally, I thank my colleague officers and staff of my personal branch for their meticulous planning in executing this program in a very successful way. Thank you all. Once again, I thank everybody. Thank you. I take this opportunity to announce that GM sir is kind enough to sanction a cash out of 50,000 in favor of all who are responsible for the conduct of this function. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Now we conclude the program, today's yoga countdown program here. I request the staff to remain on their yoga mat. And I thank all the officers, the PHODs, officers, and all the staff present here for having cooperated and given their valuable time for the smooth conduct of this program. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.